Are you over 60 and noticing it's harder to get up from a chair or climb stairs without help? What if just one simple daily habit could restore your muscle strength like you were 40 again? Here's a hard truth. By age 80, most people lose up to 50% of their muscle mass. This silent shrinkage raises fall risk and chips away at independence. The good news? It's not inevitable. This video reveals 8 science-backed habits used by seniors who remain strong, active, and independent well into their 80s. And it's all within your reach, starting today. You'll discover practical tips from Harvard and Mayo Clinic on nutrition, resistance training, and even how certain kinds of stress, done right, can actually rebuild your muscles. If you're tired of feeling weaker each year, you'll love the easy strategies shared here, like how to space out your protein, the best way to move, and why sleep matters more than ever. Let us know where you're watching from in the comments. Are you following from sunny Florida or snowy Oregon? And what's your biggest health concern right now? It's never too late to rebuild your strength. Whether you're 60, 70, or beyond, you can still make real, lasting changes starting today. You can start saving yourself today. Here's something you may not know. A study from the University of Alabama found that 70-year-olds who lifted weights just twice a week gained over 3 pounds of muscle in 12 weeks. Stay tuned, one of these 8 habits might completely change how you age. Start rebuilding your muscle strength today by embracing something surprisingly powerful: gentle stress. This habit, called Hormetic stress, is a game changer for senior health and healthy aging. Hormetic stress means short, controlled challenges that push your body just enough to trigger repair and growth. Think of it like pruning a tree. Done right, it grows back stronger. According to Harvard Medical School, cold exposure boosts a hormone that protects muscles, while the Buck Institute notes it also strengthens mitochondria, your cell's energy engines. Simple ways to try it at home include ending your shower with 30 seconds of cold water, sitting in a warm bath for 15 minutes, or practicing intermittent fasting, like eating only between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. Try 5 seconds of pushing your hands together as hard as you can, then rest. Repeat this a few times. This trains your muscles gently but effectively. Marianne, 72, finishes her morning shower with a cold splash and skips late-night snacks. She says it gives her more energy and better sleep, all while improving her balance. A tip: always start slowly. One cold rinse or one short fast a week is enough to begin. Then gently build up as you get more comfortable. This habit supports senior health, enhances mobility, and helps prevent muscle loss. It also improves resilience physically and mentally as you age. You have the power to take control of your senior health and stay strong after 50. Your body still listens when you give it the right signals. Start every morning with a high-protein breakfast, and you'll give your muscles the signal they need to stay strong throughout the day. As we age, our body becomes less efficient at using protein. This is called anabolic resistance, and it's one major cause of muscle loss in seniors. Research from the Journal of Nutrition and the University of Texas shows that spreading protein intake evenly across all meals improves muscle synthesis by 25%. Instead of eating most of your protein at dinner, aim for 25-30 grams at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This keeps your muscles fed all day long. An ideal breakfast could include Greek yogurt with berries or eggs with whole grain toast and avocado. Delicious, easy, and muscle-friendly. George, 68, swapped his usual toast and coffee breakfast for a smoothie with protein powder, banana, and oats. He says his energy now lasts all morning. Tip: prepare a batch of boiled eggs or overnight oats ahead of time. Easy to grab, high in protein, and perfect for busy mornings. This habit helps prevent muscle loss, supports senior health, and strengthens mobility, one protein-rich meal at a time. You have the power to fuel your muscles, right, just by changing when and how you eat protein. Healthy aging begins with your next meal. Keep your bones and muscles strong by maintaining optimal vitamin D levels. This essential nutrient does far more than just support calcium absorption. Vitamin D acts like a switch in your muscle cells, turning on the signals that build and maintain strength, especially important for senior health and mobility. Researchers at Harvard Medical School and JAMA Internal Medicine found that seniors with higher vitamin D levels had 25% more muscle strength and better balance. To improve your vitamin D, get 15-20 minutes of sunlight midday, eat fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, and include egg yolks or fortified dairy in meals. Try this. For breakfast, enjoy scrambled eggs with cheese and a glass of fortified orange juice. Simple, tasty, and perfect for healthy aging. Maria, 75, added vitamin D drops to her morning tea and takes short daily walks in the sun. She says her legs feel steadier and she moves more freely. Tip: combine vitamin D with vitamin K2, found in natto or soft cheeses, to help calcium reach your bones, not your arteries. This habit supports senior health, strengthens muscle strength, and helps prevent muscle loss naturally. No heavy lifting needed. You have the power to take control of your senior health and stay strong after 50. Just one small vitamin can make a big difference. Chronic inflammation silently weakens your muscles, drains your energy, and speeds up aging. Yet it's one of the most reversible threats to senior health. This type of hidden inflammation, called inflaging, disrupts your body's signals to build muscle, making strength training and good nutrition far less effective. According to research from Tufts University and the University of California, older adults with lower inflammation levels kept 3x more muscle mass over time. You can lower inflammation daily by getting 7-8 hours of quality sleep, eating high-fiber foods, and including fermented options like yogurt or sauerkraut. A typical anti-inflammatory breakfast: oatmeal with berries, flax seeds, and a spoonful of yogurt. Nourishing, easy, and perfect for healthy aging. James, 70, swapped processed snacks for walnuts and berries, and now he walks farther, feels stronger, and recovers faster after workouts. Tip: omega-3 fats in fatty fish or supplements and curcumin from turmeric are powerful inflammation fighters. Combine them with green tea or olive oil. This habit supports senior health, protects muscle strength, and helps prevent muscle loss by creating a strong internal foundation for better mobility. You have the power to reduce inflammation naturally, and that's one of the most important keys to staying active and independent after 50. Your muscles need more than protein. They rely on essential micronutrients like magnesium, creatine, and B12 to stay strong, flexible, and ready for action. These micronutrients work behind the scenes to support nerve signals, energy production, and protein synthesis, critical steps for senior health and muscle strength. Research from the University of Vermont and McMaster University shows that older adults with healthy micronutrient levels had 30% better grip strength and faster muscle recovery. To boost your intake, eat foods like leafy greens, seeds, nuts, fatty fish, eggs, and fermented dairy. Then check with your doctor about targeted supplements. Try this daily combo: spinach and eggs for breakfast, salmon salad for lunch, and Greek yogurt with seeds as a light evening snack. Elena, 73, adds magnesium glycinate and B12 drops to her routine. Since then, she says walking is easier and her hands no longer feel weak or tired. Tip: look for bioavailable forms of supplements like methylated B12 or magnesium glycinate. They are easier for aging bodies to absorb and use effectively. This habit helps prevent muscle loss, supports healthy aging, and improves mobility by giving your body the tools it needs to build and repair. You have the power to nourish your muscles from within. Every vitamin counts when it comes to staying strong and independent after 50. Staying strong isn't just about muscles. It's also about keeping the brain's connection to your muscles sharp through what's called the neuromuscular junction. These junctions work like electrical outlets, helping your brain send signals to your muscles. Without them, even strong muscles can't move properly or quickly. Research from the University of Michigan and the Journal of Physiology shows that seniors who protect these junctions move with more control and less fatigue. You can improve them at home by doing activities that involve precision and coordination, like dancing, tai chi, ping pong, or even playing piano. A great weekly routine: dance class on Monday, ping pong on Wednesday, and a few minutes of tai chi on the weekend for balance and fun. Bernard, 78, joined a beginner's ping pong group and noticed after a month that his hands respond faster and he stumbles far less when walking. Tip: practice breathing exercises like box breathing. Inhale 4 counts, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. It boosts your nervous system's connection to your muscles. This habit supports mobility, strengthens senior health, and helps prevent muscle loss by keeping your brain and muscles working as a team. You have the power to train your body and your brain. Staying sharp and strong after 50 is a skill you can keep building every day. Lifting weights isn't just for the young. It's one of the most powerful tools seniors have to regain strength, balance, and independence after 60. Progressive resistance training means gradually increasing the challenge over time, signaling your muscles to grow stronger, denser, and more functional for everyday mobility. McMaster University found that seniors doing high-intensity resistance workouts twice a week gained more strength than those training moderately 5 times a week. Start with bodyweight moves like wall push-ups, chair squats, and resistance bands. Then build up to light dumbbells as your confidence and form improve. A sample routine: Monday and Thursday, 15 minutes of resistance bands, squats, and light weights with rest in between. Easy, safe, and deeply effective. Agnes, 74, began with soup cans for arm curls. Within weeks, she noticed she could carry groceries easier and get out of chairs without straining. Tip: focus on the lowering phase of the movement. This eccentric part boosts strength while protecting joints, especially helpful for healthy aging. This habit prevents muscle loss, strengthens bones, and boosts mobility, giving your body the resilience to stay active and independent well into your 70s and 80s. You have the power to rebuild strength at any age. Your muscles are listening and they're ready to respond when you challenge them with care. Your brain is a powerful ally in the fight against muscle loss. Stimulating it daily helps keep your whole body active, responsive, and aging gracefully. Neurons and muscles talk to each other constantly, and when your brain stays engaged, your movements become more coordinated, steady, and confident over time. According to Columbia University and NIH, seniors who regularly engage in cognitive tasks have better balance, faster reflexes, and stronger neuromuscular response. You can boost brain-muscle connection by doing puzzles, learning new skills, playing memory games, or even reading aloud for 10 minutes each day. Try this daily routine: crosswords over coffee, a short walk while listening to an audiobook, and 15 minutes of a new hobby like drawing or crafting. Margaret, 76, joined a local book club and began learning Italian. She now feels more focused, alert, and says she walks with more rhythm and ease. Tip: combine mental tasks with light movement, like standing on one foot while brushing your teeth. It strengthens your brain-muscle coordination and improves balance. This habit enhances mobility, supports healthy aging, and helps prevent muscle loss by sharpening the communication between your mind and your muscles. You have the power to keep both brain and body strong. Every challenge you embrace today makes tomorrow brighter, clearer, and more independent. Let's take a quick look at the powerful habits you now have in your toolkit to boost senior health and enjoy real results from healthy aging. Hormetic stressors like cold showers or brief fasting gently train your body to protect and rebuild muscle. Small challenges create lasting strength. Spreading your protein evenly across meals helps your muscles grow and stay active. This simple nutrition for seniors tip makes every bite count. Maintaining vitamin D levels through sunlight, food, and supplements supports bone density, improves balance, and protects your mobility. Fighting inflammation with better sleep, fiber-rich foods, and omega-3s helps prevent muscle loss and gives your energy a long-term boost. Targeted micronutrients like magnesium, creatine, and B12 are hidden keys to muscle function, energy, and easier movement for healthy aging. Neuromuscular training keeps your brain and body in sync. Coordination improves, balance returns, and movement feels easier and more natural. Progressive strength training with bands or light weights helps build back muscle, increase independence, and truly lets you stay strong after 50. Cognitive engagement, from puzzles to learning new skills, sharpens focus and strengthens the connection between mind and muscles every single day. You truly have the power to support your body at any age. It's never too late to rebuild strength and regain independence. Starting today, one habit at a time. Which tip from today's video will you try first to improve your muscle strength, balance, or energy? Share your plan or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're working toward healthy aging. Your story could inspire another person to take their first step toward better senior health. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Guide for more simple, uplifting tips on movement, nutrition, and strength. New videos are shared every single day. Our community is growing with people just like you who want to stay strong, independent, and full of life well into their 60s, 70s, and beyond. Thank you for watching. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your health. One small change today can lead to a stronger tomorrow.